Right. All right. Thank you for coming to our event. Can you do a brief introduction of you and your project?
For sure. Thank you for having me. My name is Simone Romano, and I'm head of developer relations at IoTeX. IoTeX is an infrastructure, a blockchain platform. We bootstrap our layer one, the IoTeX blockchain, in 2019. At that time, it was designed to be the blockchain that would connect the physical world with the Web3 world. And then we kept asking ourselves how we can bridge the gap between the physical and the blockchain world. We didn't stop with just building the blockchain. We released different hardware devices to prove the concept of building Web3 ready devices, and still didn't stop there. And now we are laying down the foundation for the infrastructure for building deep-in applications. A lot of exciting stuff ahead, and
It's actually there's actually a lot of comments of IoTeX and DevRel, because we started with I just mentioned to you, we started with payment. We actually built a hardware as a POS machine shop, and then the POS machine only deals with crypto, so all the non-Web3 people can do crypto transactions easily. So you talked about DePIN and your commitment in DePIN. So the next question is, what do you think about the DePIN and AI integration in the future?
Yeah, definitely. So DePIN, AI, and blockchain, right? These are all intersecting technologies, and I would say complementary technologies. Specifically, let's say that the blockchain is like the anchor for the trust in general, and AI can provide a lot of advanced computation and for example, on the physical world data for triggering on-chain transactions with a better brain, let's say. On the other side, DePIN is the technology that allows these physical data to be crowdsourced in a fair way, in a community-owned way. So it's the ability to create infrastructures owned by the people to, for example, to be related to the AI, specifically to contribute data, and that is trusted, and that can then be used, for example, to create trusted AI models that are based on more valuable data that is actually verified by these trusted machines. This is one way DePIN can help, for example, AI to feed models with trusted data in a decentralized way. Another way to intersect DePIN and AI could be where people actually run machines to actually train AI models, right? So you could build this infrastructure where everyone runs or contributes the computational power and software to train a model with data. And the data itself could be, as I said, crowdsourced using DePIN, where everyone has a machine, or let's say a weather station, for example, or a health device, right, to collect this data and feed these other machines that actually train the model. So the future of blockchain, it holds probably these decentralized infrastructures that will be able to allow everyone to participate and invest in a small piece of these infrastructures. Some could decide to participate into AI infrastructures, and some others could decide to participate into collecting data or providing any other type of service.
So that will lead to the next question is, what do you think about what DevRel is doing right now?
Yeah, as you mentioned, DevRel started with a payment systems. I'm personally very supportive of this type of projects. I love them because they are one component of that set of tools that are needed for mass adoption, right? The blockchain space really needs all this work done on these small pieces. However, I also loved your expansion into the AI. First with integrating AI into your payment gateway system, and now actually building this AI, decentralized AI system to tag and have people in it's similar to eventually a deepin project itself, right? Where everyone is contributing their expertise to tag or provide information to this to this AI data, right?
Exactly.
So yeah, I'm totally loving this project. Yeah.
Thank you.
I'm not that much into AI specifically, but I see so many applications anyway with blockchain. Yeah.
Just look at the events of TOKEN2049 this year. So many AI blockchain related events. Yeah.
Sure.
So next question regarding TOKEN2049. So what do you think about the trend, or what do you think about the market is going to be for Bitcoin or token in general?
Okay, so disclaimer, I'm not an investor. I'm actually, as I said, I'm in the developer relations, so I'm a technical person. As a technical person, I could not love the blockchain and the crypto market. So I really don't care if the price is $0 or $1 million. Of course, I blindly believe in the future of crypto. In general, regarding this market, I think it's pretty good. Bitcoin is holding very well in a kind of a weird way I've never seen in the previous cycles. I think with these technologies growing like AI and DePIN that facilitate the mass adoption, we are now seeing more real use cases for blockchain in the real world, where actual people are facilitated in interacting with the blockchain.
Right.
And I think this is a very positive sign on the technical side, and I'm sure this will support the price in the long term.
Yes, because it's just from what you just shared. I know a lot of people who are only focusing on the price. They will say that Bitcoin's going down. Chain is just a dream or something, but from a technical, from a developer point of view, it's not, right?
Yeah, it's totally not. Actually, when the price is down, that's when most of the development happens. And who works on the actual technical stuff, on the infrastructure? At least I see it, right? I see it's impossible that the price will stay down. Maybe it will go down, right? That's how blockchain is. And I'm in blockchain since 2017. And I've heard these things many times, so many times that I really, honestly, everyone will keep saying it, right? Eventually, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the solid projects out there will stabilize. Maybe it will need some time, of course. It's such an early technology, but, it takes some time.
Yeah, it's still very, very, very young.
Yeah. Meanwhile, we'll go down, we'll go up, and people will keep saying, it will go down, it will go up.
But the development will keep on going.
Yes, actually, there are some good stats from Electric Capital, I think, where you can see the chart of blockchain development, and you will notice that when the market stops or goes down, the actual development activity either stays still or grows.
Oh.
Yeah, and that somehow opens your eyes, right, on the technology a little bit more, right? There are people that are keeping building, and somehow the best moment to build is exactly when there is the bear market. Unfortunately, there is not direct connection between the development and the price, but it will come with time.
Yeah. I think most people, they predict or they see the market through the price goal. Yeah. So that's why a lot of people don't understand. So it's really great to have a point of view from a developer.
Yeah. Of course, you can predict the market from the financial point of view. There are big investors out there. They're doing movements that people know how this stuff work. But from the technical point of view, I can only see it in a long term, right? I just don't see any way why the crypto market should not grow. Right. So.
I'm relieved to hear.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.